Okay, so a couple other fun tips I was thinking of in regards to linking the Google Drive with Schoology is grading groups and how this could work for a group project or something like a jigsaw assignment. So I don't have a class set up here, but I do want to show you what you could do for something like a jigsaw and assigning a group the same editable document. Each student would have their own document, so they wouldn't all be able to edit one document. But they would all have the same, and then someone else in the same classroom would have a different one. So let me show you what that would look like. So again, I'm going to go into my Blue Block class. I'm going to add that material and that assignment. And then let's say this is Jigsaw activity. I'm going to click on Google Drive Assignments here. And if you notice, I have a document titled Jigsaw Piece 1, Jigsaw Piece 2, and 3. For this grading group, let's say that this is Group 1. I'm going to attach this document, and then, of course, give it the due date and the point value. We'll put it into the homework category just for now. But then from here, you'd be able to individually assign this to your Jigsaw group. I don't have any groups set up here, but you could name that group Group 1, Group A, or you could give it a specific title, and everybody just in that grading group would receive that Jigsaw Piece 1. Then, after that was created, we'll just create this for now without individually assigning it. We'll create it. You could go in, again, add an assignment, go into your Assignments tab, choose Jigsaw Piece 2, and then assign that to another grading group. So you'd be able to send out documents for each of the groups that were different without really having to do any extra work. The only downfall, and I haven't been able to figure this out, maybe you guys can help me with this, is how to assign one document to a grading group that each of them can edit. I know how to do that with Drive, but it would be nice to even streamline that through this integration. So if you figure out how to do that, please let me know. Whoops, and just in case we forgot, I just want to show you real quick how to set up a grading group. So again, this is a little bit difficult because I don't have all of my students in my courses yet, but you would go into your course, you would click over on the left where it says Members, and then over on the right it says Organize Members into Grading Groups, and you would add a grading group, and you could name this anything you want, and you could have multiple grading groups. You could have as many grading groups as you need. So you could have a grading group for differentiation, but you also could have a grading group for something like a project, like those Jigsaw activities. So I could say Jigsaw Activity Group 1, and then from here, all of the students listed in all of your courses will be here. So you're able to kind of click through and add the groups. And then you'd be able to assign that Google Doc right to that Activity 1 group. So that's just a quick refresher on grading groups and how to create those.